Hello kids, welcome to Ishita Chalk Talk. Today we are going to learn about he and she. We will see some pictures and fill in the blanks together. Are you ready? Let's start. Look at the picture. Yes, he is playing with a ball. Next one. Look at the picture. Yes, she is cooking the food. Next one. Yes, he is riding a bicycle. Look at the picture. Very good. She is reading a book. Yes, he is watering the plants. Next one. Great job, kids. She is singing a song. Next one. Yes, he is playing the drum. Next one. Very nice. She is drawing a picture. He is driving a car. She is dancing on the stage. Look at the image. He is flying a kite. Next one. Yes, she is brushing teeth. Very nice. He is drinking milk. Next one. Look at the image. He is feeding a dog. Next one. Very nice. She is eating an ice cream. Yes, he is swimming in the pool. Next one. He is climbing a tree. Look at the picture. Yes, she is painting a wall. Yes, He is running in the park. She is sweeping the floor. Great job, kids. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.